The new Parliament building at the heart of Delhi will be a symbol of a new and self-reliant India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said today at the groundbreaking ceremony, a ceremony that went ahead with the Supreme Court's permission, though it is still hearing matters against the Central Vista project in the court. Also, the Prime Minister said that this will symbolize the aspirations of a new India. The proposed 4-story building is over 13 acres and a stone's throw from Rashtrapati Bhavan, actually the centerpiece of the Central Vista project. The cost is estimated to be 971 crores. It will be built by the Tata Group and it's scheduled to be ready by August 2022. Attending today were ministers, MPs and foreign envoys, but staying away with the opposition, including the Congress, which said that this project is a palace being built as farmers are protesting.
भारत दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा लोकतंत्र।
The groundbreaking for what has been called the Atmanirbhar Parliament House, led by chants by priests from the Sringeri Mutt in Karnataka, as the Prime Minister Narendra Modi performed rituals. Priests from other religious faiths also offered prayers to emphasize the multi-faith nature of the event. Protocol ensured that the President and Vice President kept away to allow the Prime Minister to take center stage.
अलग-अलग विचार, अलग-अलग दृष्टिकोण, ये सब बातें एक वाइब्रेंट डेमोक्रेसी को सशक्त करते हैं। डिफरेंसेस के लिए हमेशा जगह हो, लेकिन डिस्कनेक्ट कभी ना हो। इसी लक्ष्य को लेकर हमारा लोकतंत्र आगे बढ़ा है।
Missing, though, were key opposition leaders, an indication of the controversy that surrounds the project. Instead, the Congress's Jairam Ramesh tweeted, pointing out that the new Atmanirbhar structure resembles the Pentagon building in the United States. Randeep Surjewala questioned the timings of the inauguration as farmers continued to sit in protest at the Delhi border. The inauguration project got a go-ahead after the Supreme Court came out with a caveat that there would be no construction, no tree relocation and no excavation work. Unmindful of the final verdict, the Prime Minister unveiled his plans for a central vista and a monument to symbolize India's independence beyond India Gate.
आज इंडिया गेट से आगे नेशनल वॉर मेमोरियल ने राष्ट्रीय पहचान बनाई है, वैसे ही संसद का नया भवन अपनी पहचान स्थापित करेगा। देश के लोग, आने वाली पीढ़ियां नए भवन को देखकर गर्व करेगी कि ये स्वतंत्र भारत में बना है।
Ratan Tata was present. The Tatas have got the contract to build the new structure, expected to complete the project in just under 2 years at a cost of 971 crores. Overall, the ambitious 20,000 crore Central Vista project has been questioned as a wasteful exercise during a time of economic stress. One of the reasons to change this majestic Parliament building is that members of Parliament argued that they do not have an office space despite having palatial residential houses in central Delhi. Clearly, the focus should be on them meeting their constituents in their constituency rather than in New Delhi. With camera person Ashok Male, Sunil Prabhu, NDTV.